Most people get this wrong when they hear about the UK Innovator Founder Visa. They assume it is just a fast-track visa for anyone with a business idea. That misunderstanding leads to rejected applications and wasted time. Here's the truth no one tells you. The Innovator Founder Visa is not just about having an idea. It is about proving your business is innovative, viable, and scalable, and getting official endorsement before you even apply. In this video, you'll learn how the UK Innovator Founder Visa works in 2026, who qualifies, how to get endorsed, and how it can eventually lead to residency if done correctly. Let's start with the basics. The Innovator Founder Visa is designed for entrepreneurs who want to start and run a business in the United Kingdom. Unlike older visa routes, you do not need a large minimum investment requirement, but you do need a strong, approved business concept. Now here's where most beginners fail. They jump straight into the application without understanding endorsement. Before you can even apply for the visa, your business idea must be approved by an official endorsing body, approved by the UK government. This is the most important step. Once your idea is reviewed, it must pass 3 key tests. First is innovation, meaning your business must be original or significantly different from existing solutions. Second is viability, meaning you have the skills and plan to execute it. Third is scalability, meaning it has potential for growth in the UK and beyond. Now here's where it gets interesting. You do not need to already run a business in the UK. Many applicants, like Alex from India or Maria from Brazil, apply with just a structured business plan and get endorsed before launching. In a minute, I'll show you what most successful applicants include in their business plan to increase approval chances. Once endorsed, you can apply for the visa itself. This allows you to live in the UK and actively build your business. The visa is typically granted for an initial period, with extensions possible if your business shows progress. But here's the problem. Many applicants fail not because of their idea, but because their business plan is vague or not aligned with UK market needs. Endorsing bodies look for real demand, financial projections, and clear execution strategy. After approval, you must continuously prove progress. This includes milestones like customer acquisition, revenue growth, and job creation. Meeting these benchmarks is essential for extending your visa, and eventually moving toward long-term residency options. Now let's simplify it. The entire process follows a clear path. Create a strong business idea, get endorsed, apply for the visa, build your business in the UK, and meet ongoing performance requirements. To summarize, the Innovator Founder Visa is powerful, but highly structured. Success depends on the strength of your idea, your business plan, and your ability to prove real growth over time. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides on UK business visas and global entrepreneurship.